Everyone, welcome to our Royal Suite and the Batch Suite room tours. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any more of our cruise content. Now let's get into the tours. Let's start off with the Royal Suite. The Royal Suite is the largest suite on board Jewel of the Seas. So as you enter in on the left, here is the first bathroom. This is a full bathroom and it is huge compared to any other room. We have a large shower here. Lots of room and space. A full sink. As you continue in, there's this large foyer that goes right out to the massive balcony, which we'll check out later. And on your right is the master bedroom. So let's go in and check it out. There is tons of storage in here, a large bed, two very spacious nightstands, lots of storage in here. Check out the rest of the room. There is a large TV, some mirrors, and again that balcony, a nice chair here, and here are floor to ceiling windows to outside. Lets in so much natural light. And then as you turn right, there is a vanity area to get ready for all of the nights on the ship. Again, lots of storage, lots of outlets here, European and American. Some light switches for the vanity light. There we go. And look at this walk-in closet. This is huge, so much space for all of your luggage. You've got two safes. Look at all of these drawers. That closet space. And again, more storage as we come out from the other end. So huge mirror, lots and lots of storage. Now we're entering the master bathroom, which again is huge. You have a double vanity here, two sinks, his and hers, and again, tons of storage. And take a look at the shower. Massive shower. It's beautiful. And the jacuzzi's running. So nice. Tons of mirrors. And as we turn out of that master bathroom, you have a bidet as well as another toilet. Again, tons of mirrors. And as we continue through, we're back in the master bedroom. Okay, let's take a look at the rest of the space. All right, as we exit the master bedroom, here is a grand piano. So much space. And here are two couches. This couch here actually pulls out into a bed, so if you are staying with your family, lots of room for sleeping. And here is a large living room, so much seating. Large TV. There's a dining table. Again, more storage if you need. Don't know how much luggage you're packing, but there is so much room in this suite. And then here is the mini bar. They have a coffee machine, the sink, again, more storage. You can line up your drinks here. And here are all of the light switches. Okay, now, as we go out to the balcony, you can see just how big the balcony is for this room. So let's go and check it out. Okay, so here's the master bedroom. It has a door coming out to the balcony as well. And those floor to ceiling windows that I talked about in the master bedroom are just along the ship here. Now here is that very spacious balcony I talked about. You have a dining table outside You have some chairs and another little table, and then you have the loungers at the very end. So this is the largest suite on board Jewel of the Seas. It is concierge class, has one bedroom and a pull-out couch, and it is absolutely gorgeous. We're entering into 1560, the Batch Suite. Right as you enter on your left, a nice mini bar area with table and chairs, tons of storage here, lots of water bottles that they provide you with. And as you enter in here, there's a nice L-shaped couch. It's huge, lots of seating. I'm sure you could fit some people on there to sleep as well. And then as you go to the left, there's this TV. And then on the other side is the main bedroom. Here we go. Lots of room and storage. And look at that balcony, floor to ceiling windows. And of course, some loungers on the other side. Okay, let's go ahead into the bathroom. You have, again, a bidet, a toilet, double sinks, tons of mirrors, tons of storage. Have a full bath and a very nice shower.